Yeah, hello everybody and welcome to this channel once again. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you some 10 tricks in Microsoft Office Word that you probably don't know. So let's get started. So number one on my list is typing the asterisk signs 3 times on your keyboard and pressing enter. This will give you this set of lines over here. Now pressing also the hyphen sign 3 times or more and pressing enter will give you this line. Again, pressing the equal to sign 3 times or more will give you this particular line also, and then the underscore sign 3 times will give you this line. Last but not the least, pressing the pound sign 3 times or more on your keyboard is going to give you this surprising line. Alright, so the next set of tricks that I will talk about is the copyright and then the other stuff. So let's get into the video also. So to type or to get the copyright sign on your machine, you just have to type this on your keyboard and then it will bring it up to you. Now again, type this and it will give it to you. Now type this particular thing and this one also will give you this. Alright, so the final thing that I would like to talk about is this cool trick that everyone needs to know. You know, in Microsoft Office Word, you double click on any place and then you can type anything there. So for instance, like this, and then I'll double click here and I'll double click this area and I can type any other thing over there. So I hope this tutorial is helpful and the part 2 of this video will come very soon. If you enjoyed this, I hope you give it a like and you subscribe to my channel for more.